Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the most important MCQs on topic of cranial nerves. In every NEET PG every year, even one question will occur in that PG exam. So come back to the video. Which nerve is secretomotor to lacrimal gland, which is facial nerve? Which nerve desiccates within the brain? Desiccates within the brain. Optic nerve. Visceral efferent fiber supplies to tongue tip is through which nerve? Lingual nerve. Special visceral efferent fibers are carried through facial nerve. Special visceral efferent fibers are nuclear ambigu. A patient present with drooping of right eyelid and mydriasis of a right eye, most likely site of lesion is oculomotor nerve. Hypoglossal nerve supplies palatopharyngeal hypoglossus, genioglossus. Hypoglossal nerve does not supply palatoglossus, only supply palatopharyngeal. Next, coming to the next one, intraocular muscle supplied by Edinger-Westing nucleus is ciliary muscles. Ninth question, muscle that inverted by trigeminal nerve are medial pterygoid nerve, lateral pterygoid muscle, tensor veli palatal muscle. 10th one, trigeminal nerve has 3 sensory nuclei. Sensation from face. Maxillary nerve is a branch. Coming to the 11th, facial nerve injury above origin of nerve to stapedius leads to hyperesis. 12th one, nerve to stapedius is a branch of facial nerve. Superior laryngeal nerve supplies. Cancel that word question because I don't know the answer. Anterior 2/3 of the tongue is supplied by trigeminal. Taste sensation of anterior 2/3 of tongue is carried by chorda tympani branch of facial nerve. Coming to the 16, Gallen's anastomosis is between which nerve fiber is? Superior laryngeal nerve and recurrent laryngeal nerve. Intrinsic laryngeal muscles are supplied by external and recurrent laryngeal nerve. Terminal branch of facial nerve are marginal branch, cervical and temporal. Coming to the 19, which of the following cranial nerve is called dentist nerve? Reacts to messages of pain. It also protects us by warning about harmful chemicals. His answer is trigeminal nerve, which is 5th cranial nerve. Cranial nerve which linked with taste buds. 7 and 9 cranial nerves are linked to taste buds. 21. Longest cranial nerve or largest cranial nerve is vagus nerve, which is 10th cranial nerve. Coming to the 22, shortest cranial nerve is olfactory nerve, which is 1st cranial nerve. Thickest cranial nerve is optic nerve, which is 2nd cranial nerve. Thinnest cranial nerve is trochlear, which is 4th cranial nerve. Paralysis of jaw muscle is due to loss of function of trigeminal nerve, which is 5th cranial nerve. Here I draw a diagram which indicates that failure of raising a soft palate and vulva dilated to left. This condition is seen in right vagus nerve paralysis. Receptor site for neurotransmitter are present on postsympathetic membrane. Good vision and carotene rich foods are vitamin A derivatives are formed from carotene. Retina is derived from vitamin A, and retina is light absorbed part of all the visual photopigments. Coming to 29, photosensitive compounds in human eye is made up of opsins and retina. Coming to the 30, photoreceptors in the human eye are depolarize during darkness and become hyperpolarized in response to the tight stimulus. 31st question. A gymnastic is able to balance his body upside down even in the total darkness because of vestibular apparatus. 32. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is indication of important cerebrum importance is calculation and contemplation, language comprehension. Importance of corpus callosum in our body is communication between the left and the right cerebral cortex. Importance of medulla oblongata in our body is homeostatic control. Coming to the 33, rhodopsin is the purplish red protein present in the rods only. Retina is the light absorbing portion of visual photopigments. In retina, the rods have the photopigment rhodopsin while the cones have 3 different photopigments. 34th question. If both eyes turns in due to injury of abducens cranial nerve. 35th question. Bell's palsy is associated with, obviously we all know, very important and easiest way question is this one. Bell's palsy is associated with facial nerve. 36th. Taste sensation is not carried by 11th cranial nerve. 37. Facial nerve carries taste sensation from which part of the tongue? Most important question. We all know as a human. Facial nerve carries taste sensation from which part of the tongue? Anterior 2/3. 38th question. A balance dysfunction is probably due to which cranial nerve? It is 8th cranial nerve. Next. Which nerve provides parasympathetic innervation to the lacrimal gland? It is facial. Nerve which is not purely sensory is 3rd cranial nerve, which is olfactory. Which nerve innervates the superior oblique muscle is 4th cranial nerve. 42nd. Which branch of the trigeminal nerve supply the muscle of mastication is urethra? Abducens nucleus is located in the pons. So here so many questions I wrote. Please note down all these. From these 80 bits, even 2 bits are arrived for this year 2021. For sure, I'm telling. Please note. Please visit my channel and share, like and subscribe. I will provide more information regarding NEET PG 2021. Thank you.